Just click weekly reflections. On this episode, I want to talk about this trade. This was a trade that after the election results, the US election results had been announced. So I was just backtesting this trade. I didn't really profit from it. I executed EIS, but not on my main accounts. I was just backtesting it to see what will happen in terms of the results up on this. So I was taking the price action, and US 100 was still continuing with its bullish trend. It was still going up and up and up. So here, after the market opened right at this candle here, and we still continued gravitating up higher. So at this point in time, I was anticipating for a retracement for price to continue going up, and that's why I executed this sell right here after I saw we were taking this high and we closed down bearish. So it was my thinking that now it's time to start going down, to come maybe find support upon this week or on this 15-minute fair value gap that had been created after the market had opened. So I knew there would have been nice opportunities to buy down here, as I'll be buying on a discounted price. So that was my aim. That's why I ended up shorting here once again. Once I saw we broke down this swing low and there was this gap here, I added some other shorts right here. But with that, market was ranging, market dipped down. It dipped down, taking again these equal lows that had been generated here. So at this time, once I saw we were really ranging up on this inefficiency, it was a telltale sign that price was not going to go much lower. However, when we broke down and took out this swing low, I was still hopeful to see some lower prices being taken. But immediately after taking the equal lows, we gravitated up, changing market structure shift up upon here, closing structure shift after taking the equal lows. Then we came back up, displacing up above the swing high that had been created, and we left this fair value gap here as well as this inverted fair value gap here. So having that in mind, I knew this price was now going upwards. We were still going up with the bullish momentum. So what did I do with the orders that I had here? I reversed them. I didn't lose on them. I just reversed them into buy orders, and this is where they were activated once we were coming down towards this inverted fair value gap. So I inverted them right there, and price went ahead going higher. We had another swing high right here. So my target was to come and attack that swing high. So once I saw price, now we had come with comfortably broken above the swing high here, and we closed up above. So market, as it was retracing down, my order was still on the head, and managed anything or moved my stop or taken some of my positions. No, so my orders were still intact, and I knew it was a retracement that was coming, so I was still patient waiting to see this swing high being taken, because my take profit was right above that swing high. Yeah, my profit was right there, right above that swing high. So market crawled up, then it came and activated my swing high, and that was it. So since it was an election week, I wasn't that active on the markets, as I didn't know what the market would throw at us due to the volatility that was to come with the elections. So the elections were done and dusted. Trump won, and I didn't see much of the activities. I thought there were going to be much of activity after there was just the bull run that happened on the election day, but after that I didn't see much here. Once again, this is a new pair that I'm back testing. So on the previous year and the previous elections, I don't know how it happened, but according to my observation right now, I really didn't see much. But we are way right at premium prices on this US 100. So it has been just going high, same as gold prices. So my plan going on forward will be just waiting to see these pullbacks, then buying on them. If I manage to get a sell opportunity going down, then well and good. I'll benefit from the opportunity and go down. So this trade, I didn't manage to record it since I wasn't taking it. I only recorded one trade that I took on Friday, which ended up to being a loss. That's the trade that I recorded. But this one, I didn't see the need of recording it since I wasn't putting any risk on it. It was just me doing some back testing, and I'm glad it happened the way it happened. So it was a win. My setup again, I saw it working on this pair, and one thing I'm coming to realize with this pair is that it's resonating well with the setup that I'm executing on. On the forex pairs currently, there's a much more of a range. There's not really a definite direction on which the markets want to go. So the setup there, it's working one time, the other time is not working. But on this pair, so far in regards to the backtesting that I've been doing, I've seen that it's really kicking on well, and I'm in love with it. So I'll continue doing it, but for this week now, I've resumed back trading since the elections are back. We are done with the elections, so I'm back now to full trading, and I'll again record and see what we are going to get at the end of it. So on the competition accounts, those one I'm still continuing on. Actually, there's a video now that I'm going to do on the trades that I took the last week, because I took a trade. I think I benefited on this trade. Yeah, I benefited on this trade on the competition accounts. I think I put risk on this trade on the competition accounts as well as the trade. Now the Friday trade which I managed to lose here, I didn't lose on those competition accounts. I only lost on the direction going. You'll see the trades on the going downward, but going upside. I managed to recuperate back the losses that I'd taken on the move going down. So yeah, I think I took this trade on the competition account. So I'll just go open and see it. So that will be it for this weekly reflections upon this setup. It's a setup that I usually execute on, and I loved it. So that's it for this episode on the Jay's Click weekly reflections. Really